This video is presented to you by AEDmarket.com, and in today's video, we'll guide you through the process of changing the Pad-Pak in the HeartSine Samaritan 350P, 360P, and 450P AEDs. In preparation for emergencies, it's crucial to always keep the Pad-Pak inserted in the AED. The Pad-Pak is a combination of pads and a battery with a 4-year expiration. Find the expiration date on the outside of the pack in blue and replace the Pad-Pak either at its expiration or after AED usage. To install or replace the Pad-Pak, start by taking the case off first. From here, locate the pads at the bottom of the AED. To remove the old pack from the bottom, grip the tabs, slide it out, select the new pads, and press until you hear click. After changing the Pad-Pak, confirm that the ready indicator is flashing green, indicating that the AED is rescue ready. For any questions about purchasing options, don't hesitate to reach out to us at 1-800-441-8378 or visit us online at www.aedmarket.com.